How rare is thoracic outlet syndrome? I've had it for 45 years and I wasn't really sure. I just looked it up online, and according to what I saw online, it said the neurogenic kind is roughly 1 person in 40,000, and the vascular kind, which is the kind I think I have, is 1 person in 125,000. So and also it's like women are 3 times more likely to have it than men. I've never met anyone in person that's had it. I've never met any guys anyway. Actually, I did meet a girl like last year or the year before. It's my dental hygienist, and actually she figured out that she has it after talking to me, because I was telling her my neck was bothering me when I was in the chair, and she was asking me what was wrong, and I said thoracic outlet syndrome. She's like, I never heard of that. She's like, I want to write that down and look it up. Next time I went in, she's like, you know, I have that. After I did some research, and then doctor told me I do have it, and she's like, yeah, doctor just told me to get another job. I'm like, yeah, it sounds pretty typical. That's usually what doctors do. Anyway, I was saying I have the vascular kind, and it really affects the circulation in my hands. Both my hands are cold all the time. Now this is a quick read thermometer that I use for cooking. Like, I'll check the temperature of my meat and stuff with it. And like a normal person, if they grab this, the temperature should be somewhere in the 90s. But I'll show you what my temperature of my hands are. Okay, this is the side that I didn't have surgery on. And this one is, it looks like it's 65 degrees. It keeps bouncing between 63 and 65. Okay, that's the one I didn't have surgery on. This is the side I had surgery on right here. And that one is looks like it's 63 as well, so there's no difference. 63 degrees. Like I said, a normal person, if I hand this to a normal person and they do the same thing, pinch the end of that probe like that, it'll be in the 90s, at least the low 90s. So that shows you how bad the circulation is in my arms. It's like, it's hard to like show people or explain to people, like, you know, what the symptoms are, but I mean, that right there shows you, like, right now, like if I walked up to someone and shook their hand, they would say, whoa, cold hands. I've had people do that all the time. And like when I'm flared, my hands seem colder. If I'm not flared, they may be a little bit warmer. Sometimes about as warm as they get is, it might be in the low 70s, but I mean, it's real low right now. Usually it's around 65 degrees, something like that. 63 is pretty low. It's pretty cold in my house right now though too, but still, you know, like I said, a normal person, it should be in the 90s somewhere. Like I said, it's really hard to like explain like the symptoms of TOS to people. I mean, but that's one thing you can show people, that they can actually see. So, you know, people say, oh, you look fine. Well, okay, grab that and see if you see what the temperature of your hands are. That's one way you can show people. If you have the vascular kind, if you have the neurogenic kind, I don't know if your hands get that cold like that or not. I'm not really sure. Anyway, just want to show you guys that. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.